All right, 11:17 now, everybody, on this Friday late morning. It is August 28th, and we've been tracking some showers and thunder showers through the morning. Those are tending to wane now. Most of us are rain-free. Even a few breaks for sun I've noticed in the past 10 minutes right here on the north side of Grand Rapids. Perhaps you are noticing that where you are, especially to the south, say Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, and southward to the Indiana line in particular. I think even better sunshine over the past couple of hours. Muskegon, not a whole lot of sun. Those clouds holding firm over towards Michigan City, and South Haven and Chicago looking a little bit sunny in the Windy City. We do have some thunderstorms we're going to be tracking for this evening. We'll get to that momentarily. As far as the Lake Michigan forecast, well, we've got water temperatures in the low to mid 70s from north to south. Nothing too extreme in terms of wave action today, 1 to 2 feet this afternoon. Those will pick up, though. We're talking about thunderstorms for this evening, and that's because of a cold front that will be approaching and passing through. And behind that cold front, the winds are going to be really picking up quite a bit for all of us, but especially along the lakeshore overnight tonight into tomorrow. Early afternoon, I think wind gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour will be kicking up those wind speeds. Kicking up the waves, I should say, to 2 to 4 feet this evening, and as high as about 4 to 6, even 7 feet, with the highest waves being on the southern end of the lakeshore with that northwesterly trajectory for the day on Saturday. Severe weather outlook, yes, we do have this for this evening. Not until then, it doesn't appear, though, as there will be a cold front arriving from the west. It's going to be kind of interesting to see how much sunshine we can work into this forecast this afternoon, because the more sunshine we get, the more unstable the atmosphere gets, and it'll be ripe for better development of thunderstorms after around 7, 8 o'clock tonight. Temperatures around the nation running pretty warm still, even here in the Midwest, but this will be the last day of it because a cold front is going to be knocking them back significantly, taking the humidity away as well for Saturday and Sunday. Look at this big discrepancy, this stationary boundary I was talking about on the morning show. To the north of it, GR 71, but 83 in Kalamazoo, 84 southward in Three Rivers. Now, I just stepped outside recently. It feels like we are beginning to warm up now, and anticipate that that stationary front is going to go northward as a warm front in coming hours, allowing for the floodgates to open and us to warm up dramatically in GR. Winds have turned now to the southeast. They were out of the northeast the majority of the morning show, and you can see down to the south, more out of the west or the southwest. So a definite change in wind direction, and that's a big part of the reason why the readings are so different from north to south in a small range of distance. 77 degrees, we'll call it in GR, or close to that around midday. Shortly thereafter, get to 86 or 87 by day's end. Mixture of sun and clouds will evolve. That's what I'm going with, the idea. And eventually, this cold front that is out to the west attached to that low pressure system. The low pressure moves to the northeast. The warm front is going to get dragged northward. Then the cold front follows suit. And by the time that cold front arrives, thinking that particularly around Grand Rapids and southward, the atmosphere is going to become a bit unstable with this sunshine and the humidity in place, taking temperatures into the 80s. So a decent shot for thunderstorms this evening. Having said that, we've still got some showers and thunder showers. That's what I've been calling them, thunder showers, not full-blown thunderstorms from the overnight, producing tropical downpours beginning to fall apart, though. Still a couple here in southern Kent and northern Eaton counties. So if you live there, you know what I'm talking about. It's coming down, but it's not going to last a whole lot longer. These are rain amounts from this morning. Some pockets of yellow colors between about 1 inch to 2 inches where those heavier downpours did occur, but the majority of that now working off towards the east. Here's the model, gets us into this dry sector, but very humid this afternoon, breaks in the cloud cover, allowing for the mercury to jump up into the 80s, and then we'll watch this band of precipitation shift on through. This latest run of the model, not real bullish, but I do think there will be better development between about 7 o'clock and midnight. Thunderstorms that may be strong to severe, so we'll track it. And then overnight tonight, we look for cloud cover to, become mostly clear to partly cloudy. And then tomorrow, sunshine mixing with that cloud cover, and temperatures will be dropping back into the 70s for highs. Deanna, humidity falls off dramatically right on through Sunday and Monday, and we don't see any more temperatures well into the 80s. Next chance of a shower will be on Tuesday.
It is 11.